Hello everyone, Rashidile, I'm Dr. Dara. Today I'm point out for frozen shoulder exercise. Okay, for this exercise, 3 different steps. This exercise is very useful for beginning frozen shoulder problem. If they have very old frozen shoulder problem, maybe this exercise it helps or not, I don't know, but just beginning exercise, beginning frozen shoulder, whenever you try this 3 different steps, is very helpful for your life. Okay, first your finger cross, then just you like I just done, up, down, like this. This is first step, not very strict, just try relax and do smoothly. Okay, breathing regular 10-15 times. If you try morning and before sleeping night, it is very good. 10-15 times. If 10-15 times finish, then another exercise, same finger cross, then up directly on your chest, just touch, just like this. This also 10-15 times. This also 10-15 times. Okay, this is second step. So this is second step. Last step is little difficult. Just your finger cross same, then turn out, then your both hands come up, then down, up, down, up, down, 15 times. Okay, 15 times. This also 15 times. This little difficult. Also, some frozen shoulder patients, they can't for this exercise. Then don't try force. Any exercise, never do force. If you get try like this, then you get pain here, then don't do, stop it. Okay, any exercise, don't force. So this 3 step is very useful for beginning frozen shoulder, and sometimes they getting painful, feeling stiffness and hair stiffness is very useful for frozen problem. And also 3 different just very important points. Whenever you get frozen problem, especially for ladies, don't carry heavy bag on your shoulder. It is very bad because this bone they getting pressing, then this point and this point come to unbalance, then it comes pain more. Okay, and 2 things. Whenever we are going to sleeping, if you have in your right arm problem, then don't sleeping like this. Okay, and any kind of your frozen problem, then don't sleeping like this also. It is very harmful. Just use for directly on your body, and your arms come to the on your chest. Just keep in your mind these 3 things. This is also very helpful. Okay guys, thank you.